Keen, open the door.
No! I don't want you to see me. I know I'm not like the boys at your school.
And I wouldn't want you to be, believe me. But I don't want to change what we have either, okay? And I've got other stuff in my mind. My gran, she attacked the washing up again last night.
Oh.
She's just so sad. She thinks that I don't share enough of what's going on in my life with her. As if there's much to share.
But there's loads to share. Like today. You can tell her all about the evil eagle, and the paper planes, and the paints on our faces. Well, you don't have to tell her that. She'll see for herself. Let's do something for her.
Like what?
It's awful to see you like this, Eileen.
It's awful to feel like this. Thanks again, though. Linda, you know my shift's nearly over. If you wait, I'll give you a lift home.
Well, only if you come in for a cup of coffee.
We have to do something fantastic for her. Like some kind of vibrant artwork. Or a sculpture. I've got some modelling clay in the art shed.
What we should do is a giant eagle statue for the garden, and you can make the beak.
No! We should raise money so she could buy a ticket to be Ireland for space tourists.
Yeah, I can see my gran doing that and getting away from it all.
We should go too. I've always wanted to go to outer space and see what my roof looks like from above.
Oh, come on. You get nauseous and claustrophobic in a car journey.
I know! But it would be such a thrill!
I don't know where this fella is now. Cian! Don't tell me he's still out in the shed. Oh my God, they've got the couch out there now.
Oh my god, Cian, your man's home.
And your grand's where? We got nothing done. Oh no.
Cian, what on earth are you doing with that couch out here?
Lying on it.
Why aren't you at school today, Ashlyn?
Cian got attacked by a bird.
Attacked by a bird?
It traumatised me.
Get in here now.
We'll help you unpack the shopping.
Cian, I really need to know what's been going on here all morning.
Painting. Molten.
We could cook you dinner. How about that?
Your gran and I were about to have a cup of coffee.
We were, Ashley, and I'm just wondering why you aren't at school today.
Gran, you're always talking about how you never know what to make, and now we're taking it into our own hands. Let's see what's on the early bird menu. Chicken. We can cook this.
Oh no. Get away from me!
What's this about?
Don't worry, Cian. Dead bird. It can't hurt you. They cut off its head.
Well, good.
And we'll be roasting it. You don't mind if we cook it now, do you?
Oh, go ahead. I was going to cook it tonight anyway. Come on, Eileen. Let's sit down here with this madness.
You know what? You're a mad thing.
Still. There. Go on.
I'll get that.
Okay.
What do you want?
I just got home from school and I'm locked out and I'm really hungry and can I come in?
Not with that thing.
Okay.
Okay.